Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. One of the locks I haven't looked at, and I think we should have a quick look, is the Brava Urban Privacy Set. So this is a tiebolt lock. The part number is BRT3610SS, available from our lock shop. The finish is stainless steel or brushed stainless. The back set is from 60 to 70. That's the distance from the edge of the door to the center of where your hole is in the door. And the door thickness is from 35 to 45, so pretty much suits everything. So I'll just take you through and show you what is in the box. We'll do like a little unboxing and a short explanation. Okay, so this is your latch right here. So it's a passage latch, which means it doesn't have the standard dead latching function. So when this is in the door, it's still going to be a soft latch. Right here, everything's standard here, and your faceplate and all that, they're all the standard sizes these days. I'll give it to you the size anyway. So we are 25 mil, and then you have 56 mil. Okay. Adjusting your back set is as simple as grabbing the centerpiece, grabbing this like this, and pulling it back. It is now suited for 70 mil back set. So if I put a ruler here, the center of the square drive is 70 mil. If I want 60, I just push it forward, and now you can see the center of this square drive is 60. So the latch is fairly straightforward. Comes with a screw pack. Let's just have a quick look at that. You've got two metal screws here. 1 and 2, they're the big ones. Then you have two small wood screws and another two small wood screws. Really simple. This is one of the easiest locks to fit. When I have customers, I tell them, if you're replacing a lock, just buy a tiebolt lock. Easiest to fit. Okay, so let's go through the screws. You've got two small screws. They would be for your striker plate here and here. You have another two small screws. They are for your latch right here and here. You have two big long metal threaded screws. They are for the lock here. Okay, so you put we'll go through installation. Okay, so you've got your holes in the door. Most of the time they're all standard. Let's assume you've got that part sorted out. If you don't, you need to, well, it's on the instructions, you need a 24 mil hole this way and a 52 or 51 mil hole this way. So you should have a hole in the door, a round hole, and a speedball hole here. Then you chisel out this, you make it flush in the door. Once it's flush in the door, you put your two screws in. Looking at it from the front, you'll see your hole and you'll see this section inside your door. You come through with your knob, this being on the outside, it's got the emergency release. You come through and you've got a tailstock left and right, and you push that into the door like so. Then you come through with your inside handle and you put that over the top like this, and you turn it left and right until you can feel that it picks up this internal type snip. Once you're sure that all of that is lined up and it's clicking nicely like this, you can come through and put those two big long metal screws in here and here, at which stage you're pretty much done and you've fitted the lock. Alright, let's explain one more function here. So this lock is what we call a privacy lock, good for kids' bedrooms, master bedrooms, of people the same family. Not ideal for share accommodation, things like that. Also mainly used on toilets, showers, laundries, anywhere you'd like to lock the door. Keep it a little bit more than locked, but not have the problem of a key. If it is locked and there is a problem, you can get anything like, let's just use a key blank here, and you can just turn that and rotate it to unlock it. And you can also turn it and rotate it to lock it. And as you can see, it's not a keyhole, but it's just really a turn switch. This is perfect for privacy function. If somebody is inside the toilet and somebody was to go up and grab the handle, the lock is locked. Okay, so they're not going to be able to unlock that without physically wanting to unlock it. They're not going to walk in, so that's why they call it a privacy lock. If somebody falls over in the bathroom and you hear a big scream and all of a sudden you've got to get it there in a hurry, you can use anything from a key to a coin to a screwdriver, just rotate it a quarter of a turn, and the lock is now locked on both sides, unlocked on both sides. That's why it's perfect for bathrooms, kids' rooms, things along those lines. They're also quite easy to install. That's why a lot of us locksmiths like them, and for DIY people, I would be going for a tiebolt. If you don't know what a tiebolt is, it's the one with the square drive. And when you look at the back of the lock as well, you can see that you've got two screws on the inside. So that's what we call a tiebolt, and I find them easier to install. Definitely stay away from the Lamar brand. Brava is a good brand, and we sell it on our lock shop. Any comments, leave them down below, and we'll try to answer them. Once again, thanks for watching.